Cougars, welcome back to Cooking with Ben Thanksgiving Edition. Today, we'll be making cinnamon roll turkeys. You'll need cinnamon rolls, any bacon of your choice, pretzels, candy corn, and candy eyes. And adult supervision. Mom, are you there? Preheat to whatever it says on the back of your cinnamon rolls. For me, it says 350. While your oven's preheating, let's start making the bacon. Turn your stove up to medium heat. Cut the bacon in half. Fold the cinnamon roll tip into the cinnamon roll to look like the turkey's neck. Then put in the oven for the recommended time. Finish your bacon. Pull out cinnamon rolls when ready. Okay, now let's decorate your turkey. You'll need 4 pieces of bacon and put them on the back side of your cinnamon roll. After everybody's done and your family is done doing that, put down the glaze. Yep. When you have your glaze on, you can add your 2 eyeballs and your piece of candy corn beak. The final step is putting 3 pretzel sticks on each side of the cinnamon roll. Voila! Cinnamon roll turkeys. Also, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and break.